Hello from tnetdragon.com. This is Ji Sifu. Today we'll be talking another divination method, introducing you the Gum Gua of our lineage. Basically, you got a little turtle shell and 3 coins like this. Okay. Now, the most important thing to understand is these are magic tools, and we are using them as a magic tool. So they need to be empowered, and you need to use it along with your altar as well. Okay, right here, like the stuff that you have in our lineage, of course, not other lineage. And so this thing, when will we be using the Gum Gua and this one? Basically, it's a very simple idea. It's okay. First, we have 3 coins, right? Coins, wealth. What is wealth? Something that is very useful for you. Okay, first, 1 coin is your intention. Second is when you push the intention to move, okay, to start something. Number 3 is when this started, the process. How's it going? Let's try again. Okay, 1, resources, intention, okay, whatever that is not moving. Second, when you start, okay, when the play button is pressed, okay, start, when these is moved and become an action. Third one is when the action came out and how does it go, okay? So basically, you have all 3 elements. You want to do something. You want to know how they will turn out to be, okay? Do a little forecast. You put it into a little universe right here, a little system. Very simple, a system. Okay, now you take this thing and then you circle around the incense that you burn with the heart spells to pick up and connect this with the altar. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, after this you go from a big distance, okay, to toss these things out. Okay, now the coins may not turn inside here because you can see this is not very high, right, the shell, but it doesn't matter because you're tossing from a very high position and out like this, so it will be okay. The coins will flip and stop in the air. So when you get all the 3 different coins, now you can read the coin and understand what happened. So you will always have coins that is closest to you and coins that is further away from you. So when you do things, you always start from yourself and work all the way out, right? So things that is more close to you is the number 1, and then the second one is number 2, and then number 3, and you read like that. So 1, 2, 3, like so. You do not go 1, 2, 3 and back to yourself, because when you do things, okay, when you're doing things, you are pushing out from your system. So you read from 1, 2, 3, and basically you read. So this coin, there's two parts. Okay, one with 4 characters, one with just 2 symbols like that. Okay, now the side with character is what we call the yang. Okay, the positive side. The other side with a less word is called the yin. Okay, the yam gua. So the positive and the negative, and then by looking at 1, 2, 3, you will know does it start or not, or is it good or bad, whatever, and such like that. So it takes more experience and knowledge in order to understand how it works, but that's the basic concept of it. It's mostly when you have something you want to do, okay, your intention, you got a plan and such, and you want to check how will it turn out, then you grab this coin and turtle set, and you ask and get a little forecast or divination result to get an estimation of how this thing will turn out to be. For example, you have a business plan that you want to do, or you have like a girlfriend that you want to date with, something like that. Okay, it's something you want to do, and you want to check how will it turn out. And when I put all these 3 things in, you got to have your plan though. Okay, like I want to. You can't just say I want to date this girl. Okay, you have to say I want to date this girl, and I want to, let's say, go to a movie with her, and how will it turn out, and then we can do a div. So next video we'll talk about how to read the coins. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.